Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing how I made $1,000 in just 1 week trading Forex. It wasn't luck, it took strategy, discipline, and a bit of risk management. If you're looking to learn how to make money trading Forex or are just curious about the process, stay tuned. First, let's set the stage. If you're new here, I'm all about sharing my journey in the world of finance and trading. Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, involves buying and selling currency pairs. And in this video, I'll break down exactly how I made $1,000 in a week by trading Forex. Now, let's dive into my strategy. For this week, I focused on two major currency pairs, EUR/USD and GBP/USD. These are some of the most liquid pairs in the market, which means there's always plenty of trading opportunities. My approach was a mix of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Here's what I mean. For technical analysis, I used indicators like moving averages, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and support and resistance levels to identify potential entry and exit points. I set clear stop-loss and take-profit levels to manage risk. On the fundamental side, I kept an eye on key economic events, like central bank meetings and employment data releases, which often create volatility in the market. All right, let's break down the key trades I made that helped me reach the $1,000 mark. Trade number 1 was on EUR/USD. I spotted a bullish trend after a pullback, confirmed by the RSI indicator, signaling that the pair was oversold. I entered a buy position, set my stop-loss below the recent support level, and my take-profit just below a major resistance level. The price action moved as expected, and I closed the trade with a $300 profit. My second significant trade was with GBP/USD. I noticed a head and shoulders pattern forming, which is typically a bearish signal. I shorted the pair right after the neckline break, setting a stop-loss just above the right shoulder and a take-profit near the next support level. This trade netted me another $500. So, what were the key takeaways from this week? First, never underestimate the power of a well-thought-out trading plan. Having a strategy is essential. Secondly, risk management is crucial. Even if the setup looks perfect, never risk more than you're willing to lose. I used a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2 on all my trades. Lastly, be prepared for volatility, especially around major news events. I avoided trading during the news to prevent getting caught in unpredictable price spikes. While making $1,000 in a week is exciting, remember that Forex trading carries significant risks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. I've had weeks where I lost money, but consistency and learning from mistakes are what lead to long-term success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content about trading, investing, and achieving financial freedom. Also, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this or if you have any questions about Forex trading. Until next time, keep hustling and trading smart.